Law enforcement officers don't start to wear body cameras for Lagos, but people nothing wey Sanwo Olu no go show us for this Nigeria when we come o. He don't come out now come unveil body cameras for security agencies. And according to Ra, he say he say na for the safety of the state, and he come add on top say the all these cameras wey we dey see e go improve transparency and accountability in the activities of law enforcement agency, meaning say if anything happen pere say they go see am. I don't bring a corner aside so because for now we don't know how the body camera even look like, and the training they go on, so they don't they teach them how they go the user. Or more my people, the country they active. Join me, make we watch the video.
If I deploy this to all the law enforcement officers, I don't need to chase them up and down. I can sit down comfortably in my control room and get them. You know, I can have my own sense of control. Everybody can see what they're live. So we can be proactive to anything that is happening.
It's recording over there.
Yes, sir. It's recording over on you, and it's recording over there as well. And we can split the camera and we can split the monitor into the numbers of the law enforcement officer that we want to monitor. This is where we're going now, sir. I want you with all due respect, sir, for the law enforcement officers, if they can have their own unit, a control room, whereby they check what is happening out there live. And God are the days, my word against your word, no. Your word against this, because it has been recorded live.
Training don't start, oh, una see am. And see how they very serious, like say they be when I know why they laugh, when I no go understand, and they laugh because all these body cam one that they see like this, all these ones one that they see. By the time they go one beer parlor, that they go forget and they go do. See, these people they I don't just understand. Una go they use, if una see how they serious when they bring matter like this. For my mind, that they wonder, these people they don't say they no get sense. I be waiting. So as Nigeria they like this, now body cam, these people sit down, think say na the best thing way we feel happen now. And some of them they clap. They clap. Oh, why? Now invent the camera. I be una never see body cam before. Una they clap on top nonsense. If these people feel remove CCTV cameras footage for Lekki toll gate, now body cam they no go remove. They waste una time. Oh, una they clap on top this one. Even if may we just even say okay, may we see whether this nonsense go work. Even if we they try to see okay, you go work, I be no go work. I beg, wait till they go do about that. If the record finish, wait till they go do about them. Now my question be that. Situation where one of the officers harass citizen, where they don't record them, waiting government, Sanwo Olu himself, waiting go do about that. You know how many harassment don't happen, how many beating, brutalization and everything don't happen where they suppose even they court case today, they don't bury them. Now they bring body cam. Now they did this one. Now just like they waste money. This one now make una relax because the price of all these things when I see now for you I go still get them. I go bring una the price. How much they don't spend, because even if now one biro, one pen, they go measure billions. Now only God know how much now they don't waste on top this one. See, make I tell that something. I know they like anything we go waste my own time, not to talk of time of other people. Because this thing as we they see them now, if these people they road, they see offend them. As usual, their temperament go raise. They go remove this thing, put them down. Beat who they want beat, rob who they want rob, collect bribery and corruption. By the time they finish, they go wear them back. I know they understand. Una be small children, where any small thing where they go tell una too go follow, they believe, they do this one. It is as simple as ABC. The one way even they make me the wonder, say, I don't understand. The Nigeria where no get light. Before you know, the battery went low. The battery is dead. We were not able to capture. We were not able to record. Una get light. Una dey copy white people. Una dey copy white people. Body count. Ngwanu, where una light dey constant light. Una no even get. But una dey carry body count. Police officers, no be even police. All our uniform people, they no even sabi their duty. At least, see, do another rehabilitation, do another training. Let these people, even our police officers say gun, they no sabi hold gun. They no sabi shoot gun. They want shoot in front of them, they go shoot left. Train them. That is what you are supposed to be doing. If you see, una sabi waste money sha. This money now wey you use for body count, why you no call people? If it's possible, say hire people from other countries that you see that their work is good. Hire them, let them come. Even if it's 3 weeks training, so that these people go know their duty. Many of our uniform people, they don't forget what they did there for. Now why you they see police officer, they do last mile work. Last mile work, they do EFCC. In fact, all of them, they just misplace their priorities. Now why they happen? Because they don't even know why they here. So if now waiting me, I think I don't know how many of you even agree with me. They should go for proper training, not be body camps. Body camps is not the solution for harassment, insecurity, and other things. Because don't be saying I go even do anything about it after una catch. I bet my people now the matter be this. I don't laugh tire because these people, and they should say as white people even they watch us, they laugh because they in fact now pity. Nigeria right now we are in a pity state. So I bet drop your comment for that comment section. I go reply now one by one as usual. Make sure say you share this video for all the people who don't say Sanwo Olu don't bring body counts call Nigeria because share now so that they go know. And if you never subscribe, you go they miss interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.